Hi, this is Rajiv here, and I promise this is going to be the worst video you have ever watched on YouTube with worst video quality because I'm recording this video with my mobile phone and I have not connected any external microphone, so you will hear some noise. Anyways, today I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 10 using your pen drive like this. Can you see this? Yeah. So this is 16 GB pen drive. So to use pen drive to install Windows 10, you need at least 8 GB pen drive. Okay, and this one is 16 GB, I guess. No, 32 GB. Anyways, yeah. So for that, go to any of the browsers you have in your computer. I'm going with Microsoft Edge. Search for Windows 10 ISO download. Then search for it. Then click this link, download Windows 10 this image. Then if you click it, you will get two options. One is update now and another one is download now. We will go with create Windows 10 media installation media. Okay, so download it. As soon as you download it, it will give you a small software, okay, exe file. Just click on it, then yes. It's taking a bit time. Yeah. Okay, in the middle of the video, if anything takes time, I will pause the video and resume it when it's needed. So now you need to click accept. It will take a while. I'm pausing the video. So now it is giving us two options: upgrade this PC now, create installation media. So we are gonna use the second option. Click create installation media, then click next. Okay, leave them as they are. Okay, click next. Then there are two options: USB flash drive and ISO file. So we are gonna go with the second option, ISO file, then click next. Okay, Windows 10. Anyways, let's download this file. I'm gonna download the file in downloads folder. Okay, windows.is. Anyways, I've clicked download and the download process is about to be started, I guess. Let me pause the video again. I have resumed the video. As you can see, the progress has started. 1%, 2%. Let me pause the video again. 16%, 17%, 48%, 75%, 95%, 96%, 97%, 99%. My god, creating Windows 10 media, it is taking a long time. I'm hating this process. 99%. Okay, let's click finish. I think download is completed. Now let's check if it's really completed. Well, the download folder. Okay, let's go to Windows desktop, then go to this PC, then go to downloads. Yeah, this is downloaded. So now we are gonna need another small software. It is called Rufus. I don't know how you pronounce it, Rufus or Rufus, I don't know. Anyways, let's go to the website, the official website. Scroll down a little, then let's download the latest one. Okay, Rufus 4.4 exe. Let's close the advertisement. It is downloaded. Now let's click it. Okay, click yes. Let's see what it is asking. Do you want to allow reviews to check application of this online? Okay. Now you can see there is no device detected. For this we are going to connect it with my computer. As soon as I have connected my pen drive, you can see 30 GB is selected. Now boot selection, click this arrow icon. Okay, no, click the select icon. Okay, not icon, actually. Click select, then select the Windows 10 ISO and let them how they are. You need not to touch anything, just click start and create an account with no, let them how they are, just click okay. Click okay. This will format everything you have in the pen drive. Okay, and the pen drive will be bootable. Now let me pause the video again. 97%. It is completed. Now click start. Oh, sorry. Now you can close it. So now our pen drive is bootable. So before proceeding, we need to keep in mind two things. First, there are, okay, let me show you. Okay, you can see my C drive size is 111 GB, 111 GB. Okay, keep that in mind. And our pen drive is 32 GB. Okay, and now after proceeding, we need to format our C drive. So if you have any important document in desktop or maybe in download folder, just move them somewhere in secure place. Okay, now we need to restart our computer. Before restarting, let me say something. When we restart our computer, somewhere here, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, it says click F11 to go to the boot BIOS menu, or maybe it may say click F12, maybe click delete button. Okay, I don't know what it will say in your computer. Okay, so now let's get where is my restart button? Okay, let's click restart and keep clicking F11, F12 and delete button. Not now, hold on. Okay, now keep clicking the buttons. Okay, yeah, see, let me show you. Now it is asking to select any of these options. Our pen drive is a data USB flash drive. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this, but in some computers that this dashboard will not look the same. Okay, so you will need to keep in mind that we need to run our pen drive. Okay, in some computer you will see it will ask to select a drive as first priority. Okay, so you just need to read the whole thing, what it says, follow the direction and select your pen drive. Okay, now I'm gonna select it using up and down arrow on your keyboard. Okay, now click enter. Yeah, now click next, click install now. click I don't have a product key. Now we are going with Windows 10 Pro. Click next. Accept the license terms. Then we are gonna go with the install Windows Advanced. Okay, and this is the most critical part. You need to be aware while proceeding this step. Okay, can you remember I told you to remind two things. One thing is our pen drive size, and the second thing is our C drive size. So if you see this drive on partition 3, 111 GB, can you remember this size? It is the size of our C drive, right? So you have to select the C drive by seeing the total size. Okay, this is the best way to identify which drive is the C drive in your computer. Okay, so before proceeding, go to your desktop and see the size of C drive. Okay, now I have selected this is my C drive. I'm clicking format. Okay, it is formatted. Okay, let's select this and click next. Okay, the installation Windows process has been started. Finishing up. It will be automatically started, restarted. 2, 1, go. Getting device ready. Now it is asking to select your region. I'm from Bangladesh, so I'm selecting Bangladesh. Okay, yes. US. Skip. Let me connect my Wi-Fi. Okay, I will do it later. Continue with limited setup. Continue now. Anyways, this is how you can install Windows 10. Okay, if you like the video, please like the video and hit subscribe button, and if you have any question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.